In this video, I'm going to show you 3 fast and easy ways to multiply a whole column by a number in Excel. Let's dive in. Alright, imagine you've got a bunch of numbers in column A. Maybe they're prices, hours, scores, whatever, and you want all of them multiplied by the same number. First, you need the multiplier. That's just the number you want to multiply everything by. Let's click on cell B3 and type 1.5 because I want everything to increase by 50%. Then press enter. Now click that cell again, the one with 1.5, and copy it. You can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Next, highlight the numbers you want to multiply. So you click the first number in your column, then drag down to select the rest. Now for the magic part, while those cells are selected, right-click on the selected area and choose Paste Special. A small window pops up with options, and this is where people panic for no reason. You're fine. Inside that window, look for a section called Operation. Choose Multiply, then click OK. And boom, every selected number is now multiplied by your multiplier. Quick warning, in friendly terms, this method changes the numbers for real. It's not like a formula that you can remove later. If you want to undo, just hit Ctrl+Z right away and you're safe. Or you can copy the original numbers from this column and paste them here. Now let's talk about the situation that happens in real life. You don't want to multiply everything, only certain rows. Let's click on the second worksheet. Let's say you have your numbers in column A and a criteria column next to it, like column B says yes or no. First, turn on a filter. Click anywhere inside your data, then go to the Data tab and click Filter. You'll see little drop-down arrows appear at the top of your columns. Now use the drop-down on your criteria column. For example, filter column B to show only yes. When you do that, Excel hides the rows that don't match and only the yes rows stay visible. Then copy your multiplier cell like the 1.5 again. Now select the numbers you want to change only in the filtered results. With that range highlighted, go to Home tab, then find and select and click the Go to Special option. Choose Visible Cells Only and click OK. That forces Excel to touch only what you can currently see. Now we are ready to do the multiply. Right-click on the selected visible cells and choose Paste Special. Let's pick Multiply and click OK. This method is great when your criteria is basically whatever I filtered, and if you remove the filter, you will see that Excel multiplied only the matching rows. Great, let's move on to the last method. This method is a little more Excel, but it's still beginner-friendly and it's safer because you can remove it later. Let's pretend. Column A has your original numbers. Column B has your criteria, like yes, no. Your multiplier is 1.5. In a new empty column, you can create a new value using if formula. In plain English, you're telling Excel, if column B says yes, multiply the number. If not, leave it alone. So, if your first data row is row 2, your formula might look like this. Equal if B6 is yes. Then multiply cell A6 with the cell B3, which is the multiplier. Otherwise, leave the number as it is. Before you press enter, lock the multiplier cell B3 with dollars so it doesn't move when you copy the formula down. Okay, now press enter and copy the cell down. Now how cool is that? You've got a clean column of results where only the matching rows were multiplied. And the best part is, your original data in column A is untouched. So now you've got the quick multiply the whole column instantly method using Paste Special, and you've also got a few ways to do it only for certain rows, like filtering first or using a simple if formula. And quick heads up, if you want to go from Excel beginner to I actually know what I'm doing, check out my courses at melontraining.com. For a limited time, everything is 50% off with code FEB50. Grab it while it's available. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.